Hello YouTube, this is Robert SK from DreamHack School of Photography, and I'm here to take you through another tutorial about how to create an action in Photoshop. Yes, before we get started, please subscribe to this channel, DreamHack School of Photography, and don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to drop a comment and tell me about which other topics you want me to teach about. Before we get started, this picture I'm using is from my friend called Samantha. She's a makeup artist by the name's Audrey Beauty Makeup. You can follow her up on her social media handles, Instagram, Facebook. I'll be leaving the links in the description. Yes, let's get started. I'm going to teach you about how to create actions in Photoshop. First and foremost, this is our image. So you go to window here and select this actions option. So a dialog box like this one will come up, and you come here at the lower end of that box and you click on this icon. It's called the new set. You create a new set, or let's name it Audrey. Yes, under that new set I've created called Audrey, we go to this plus icon and we click it. It will bring this dialog box having new action. So you give any name you want. For example, if I want to color, let's say I'm creating an action for coloring. I name this color. It is under the set Audrey. I can even give it a shortcut. Under the functional keys, I can choose F7 for that. I give it any color I want. I can give it blue. Then I say record. When you say record, everything you'll be doing in your Photoshop is being recorded. For example, let's say I'm selecting, let's say select all. You see, in this point it has recorded that, like set selection. So let me create something like a color. Let's say color balance, and I save that color and I create that color, something like that. I'm just playing around with this for study purposes. See, it has recorded that. Then I do another adjustment layer, for example curves. Then I do another one, for example photo filter, like this one. Yes, after doing all what you want to work on, for example if I'm coloring, you come here and click on this icon, the stop icon. So it says stop recording or stop playing. So after I'm done with that, let's close our picture and we open it again. So if you want to apply that action, you come to this action panel again. You select that action you already saved and you click on play. When you click on play, you will see that all the layers that we created in our action are being applied to this image. Let me put another image for study purposes, and I play the action again. You see, that is what happens. So that's how easily you can create a Photoshop action for your image. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.